Assalamu alaikum. So in the last videos we have seen that the general name for any compound is like this. First it comes the secondary prefix, and then it comes primary prefix, then it is word root, and then it is primary, PRI stands for primary suffix, and at the last it's secondary suffix. I hope all of you remember this. Now let's talk of the compounds in which this group is present, secondary suffix. I hope you know these are the compounds which are generally not considered as functional groups. These are generally not considered functional groups. For example, let's take a compound like this. And here one chlorine is present. These are all hydrogens. Now this group here, it's not a principal functional group, it comes in secondary prefix. So what will be name of this compound? First let's do the naming. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at 2 we have this chlorine. So while naming it's 2 only chloro, and its compound is 1, 2, 3, 4. Bute, word root is bute. I hope you are trying to notice it from here. It's only secondary suffix. This primary suffix, prefix is not here, and then comes this word root. Word root is 1, 2, 3, 4 bute, and then comes this primary suffix, single bond everywhere, and this secondary suffix is not present here because there is no principal functional group. Let's move to some new examples. I hope you are getting this. We can have a compound like this in which more than one secondary prefix can be there. For example, here it's bromine and here it is chlorine, and these are all hydrogens, this and this. Now there are two secondary prefixes here, this bromine and chlorine. Name it from here and here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So at 2 we have this bromine, and at 4 we have this chlorine. How to name these type of compounds? See, here it comes the rule of alphabetic order. This bromine starts with B and this chlorine starts with C. B comes first, so we have to name this bromine first. See, it's 2. At 2 what we have? Bromine, so it's bromo, BROMO. And at 3 we have chlorine, so it's chloro. And these are the secondary prefixes. Then comes the word root, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's bute, and the primary suffix, single bond, and no secondary suffix here also. This is the name for this compound. Now there may be cases where some alkyl groups can be attached to this. For example, you can have compound like this. Here this is 1, CH3 attached, and here it's bromine attached, rest all are hydrogens. So how to name these type of compounds? See, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now here also choose the alphabetic order. This is methyl, I hope you remember. This is methyl and this is bromine. Which comes first? This is B. So while naming this compound, it's at 2. At 2 we have bromo, and at 3 we have methyl, and these are the secondary prefixes. Then comes the word root. Word root is but, and similarly A N E. I hope getting this. So there can be some cases in which this, you may see cases like this. For example, let's look at this. This is only CH2 and one chlorine is attached to this. This chlorine is not attached directly to the parent chain, it's attached with this alkyl group here. I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. This chlorine is attached to this alkyl group, not to the parent chain directly. So while naming this compound, see, at 2 we have this methyl, and with this methyl we have this chlorine attached. So name for this compound, this group will become chloromethyl. So what will be the name for this compound? At 2 we have chloromethyl, and what is the word root? It's but, 4 carbon and single bond everywhere, ane. These are all possible cases in this.